Mastering Scarcity and Urgency for Sales. Hello and welcome to an exciting journey where we unveil the powerful strategies of scarcity and urgency to skyrocket your sales. In this video, we're going to be exploring some real-world examples, insightful research, and actionable tips to keep your viewers engaged and your sales soaring. Picture this. You're about to discover the secrets used by some of the world's most successful businesses. Techniques that push customers to take action. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up, or even hitting that buy now button. Get ready, because we're about to turn the tables on increasing your sales through scarcity and urgency. First, let's dive into the scarcity effect. Now, scarcity is about creating a sense of limited availability. It's like when Apple releases a new iPhone and you see limited stock available. Well, this sends a signal that people want it, and you should too. Now, urgency in action. Urgency is all about prompting immediate action, right? Airlines often use this tactic effectively by showing limited time offers on their websites. And when you see only 2 seats left at this price, ooh, your fingers get itchy to book that flight. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a powerful psychological trigger. Netflix is a master at this. When a series is labeled trending now, you don't want to miss it, right? That's FOMO at play. Now, real-world examples make it clearer. Take Amazon. They use scarcity by displaying only 5 left in stock or deal ends in 3 hours. TikTok, urgency and scarcity combine to encourage fast decision-making. At its core, these techniques play on our psychological triggers. They tap into our desire for what's rare or a fear of missing out. Our brains react to these messages, driving us to take action. Now, when crafting your message, ensure it's clear and compelling. Use phrases like limited time offer, act now, or don't miss out. But be genuine. False scarcity can harm your brand's trust. In conclusion, mastering scarcity and urgency is a game changer for increasing sales. By understanding the scarcity effect, urgency in action, the fear of missing out, and real-world examples, you can craft powerful messages that prompt customers to take action.
Join the league of satisfied clients who've witnessed a 200% increase in sales targets surpassed. B2B Rocket is more than just a tool, it's a game changer. With features designed for efficiency and results, our AI agents will take your business to new heights. Ready to experience the future of B2B sales?